Hi, I'm Wanda. Welcome to my channel, Quietly Be Debt Free. I decided a few months ago that I wanted to start a YouTube channel. So I used Fiverr to see if I could start a YouTube channel. So the question is, can you use Fiverr to start a new YouTube channel? I'm going to answer that question in this video. First of all, I needed a YouTube banner and I also needed a logo for my YouTube channel. So I went to Fiverr and I found a person on Fiverr named Venom_Hunt, and he designed a logo for me, and he also designed a YouTube banner for me, and he used watercolors and he designed it especially for me. I had some ideas and then he just used the ideas that I had and just made me a fabulous YouTube logo and YouTube banner. So I paid $5 plus they charge a $2 service fee. And so it was a total of $7 for the YouTube banner and then the YouTube logo. And I could have gotten revisions if I needed to have done that, but it was so wonderful. I didn't need any revisions because I loved it. I loved what he did with the ideas that I had given him. So yes, you can use Fiverr to get someone to do your YouTube banner and your YouTube logo. Then, because I wanted to do videos, I needed someone to edit my videos. So once again, I went to Fiverr and I found Serious602. He was so helpful, very helpful. I didn't know what I was doing, and so he just took my video and then he just made it fabulous. He did a great job of editing my video. I was very pleased with him, and to this day, I still use Serious602. And it was $5. $5. And now Fiverr charges a service fee of $2.25. They went up 25 cents, but that's still okay because that is within my budget. Fiverr actually saved my YouTube desire. Fiverr saved my YouTube desire. I can do it. Yes, the answer is yes. You can use Fiverr to start a YouTube channel. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely yes. And for $5 plus that $2.25 service fee. But that's within a budget. I can do it with a budget. And I'm having so much fun working with the people that work at Fiverr. It's called their gigs. So they have gigs. And I have used the video editor with Serious602. And I have used the YouTube logo and YouTube banner Fiverr gig people with Venom_Hunt. Yes, absolutely. You can start a YouTube channel with Fiverr. I love it. Thank you, Fiverr.